Welcome to Simple Daily English. Here we are, Max. We are finally on the airplane. This is the last part of our journey before the vacation begins. Let's find our seat numbers.
Let me look at my boarding pass again. My seat number is 12A. Where is that? Is it near the front or the back?
Look at the numbers above the seats. 10, 11, 12. And the letters are A, B, and C. A is always the window seat. You are very lucky.
Great! I love sitting by the window. I want to see everything. I am putting my backpack in the overhead bin now. It is a bit high and heavy.
Let me help you with that. There, it is safe now. I am in 12B. That is the middle seat, right between you and the aisle.
And who is in 12C?
That is the aisle seat. A businessman is sitting there. It is a good seat because he can get up easily to walk. Now, let's sit down and fasten our seatbelts.
Click. My seatbelt is fastened. Lily, this seat is a bit small for me. My legs are very long.
Yes, economy class is usually a bit tight. If you want more space, you have to pay for business class or first class. But look, you have a tray table in front of you and a screen for movies and games.
Oh, I like movies. Can I watch a cartoon or an action movie now?
Not yet, Max. First, we must be quiet and listen to the flight attendants. They are starting the safety demonstration.
Why is the lady pointing to the doors in the ceiling?
She is showing the emergency exits. It is very important to know where they are. Also, look at the small card in the seat pocket. It is the safety manual. It shows you how to use the oxygen mask and the life vest.
Ladies and gentlemen, please turn off your mobile phones or switch them to flight mode. Make sure your seat belts are fastened. We are ready for takeoff.
Takeoff! That is the moment when the plane leaves the ground and goes up into the sky. I am a little bit scared. My ears feel funny, like they are full of water.
That is normal, Max. Your ears are popping because the air pressure is changing. Try to swallow, yawn, or chew some gum. It helps a lot.
Oh, that is much better. Look, Lily, we are flying. Look at the window. The cars look like tiny toys and the houses look like little dots on the ground.
It is a beautiful view, isn't it? We are very high now. The pilot says we are at our cruising altitude. We are flying at 10,000 meters.
The fasten seatbelt light is off now. I can hear the ding sound. Can I walk around the plane?
You can go to the lavatory if you need to. That is the airplane word for the bathroom. But it is better to stay in your seat because sometimes the plane shakes. That is called turbulence.
I am starting to feel very hungry. I can smell food. When do we eat?
Look, The flight attendants are coming down the aisle with the trolley. They have food and drinks for everyone.
Hello. Would you like chicken or pasta for your lunch today?
I would like the chicken with rice, please. And can I have a cup of orange juice with no ice?
I will have the pasta and a cup of cold water, please. Thank you very much.
This food is interesting. Everything is in small plastic boxes and the bread is in a little bag.
It is easy to serve and clean this way. Open your tray table fully. Use your napkin and be very careful not to spill your juice on your clothes.
The chicken is actually very good. Now I am full and I am feeling a bit tired. I think I want to sleep for an hour.
That is a good idea. Here is a blanket and a small pillow to make you comfortable. You can also use these headphones to listen to quiet music or watch a movie.
Thank you, Lily. You are very kind. Yawn. That was a good nap. My eyes were closed for a long time. Are we at our destination yet?
Almost. The pilot just spoke on the radio. He said, "We are starting our descent." That means the plane is slowly going down toward the airport.
I can see the ground again. I see the blue ocean, the big ships, and the city lights. It looks beautiful at night.
Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seats. Make sure your seat backs are in the upright position. Please stow your tray tables and open your window shades.
That means we are ready for landing. Fasten your seatbelt again, Max. Put your seat in a straight position.
Bump. Was that the landing? The plane jumped a little bit.
Yes, we are on the ground now. The pilot is using the brakes. The plane is taxiing to the gate where we can get off.
Why are all the people standing up and opening the overhead bins? The plane is still moving.
People are always in a big hurry, but it is not safe. We should wait. We must stay seated until the fasten seatbelt light goes off completely.
Okay, the light is off now. I am getting my backpack from the overhead bin. I am ready to see the beach.
Don't forget your jacket, your passport, and your phone. We need to follow the exit signs to the baggage claim area.
Baggage claim? Is that where I find my big blue suitcase that I checked in at the counter?
Yes. We need to look for the carousel with our flight number, BX 123. The bags will come out on a big moving belt.
There it is. I see it. The blue suitcase with the bright red ribbon. That is mine. I see it coming toward us.
Great job, Max. You found it quickly. Now we go through customs, walk through the doors, and then we are officially on our vacation.
I am so happy. The flight was great. I liked the chicken, I liked the movie, and I liked looking at the clouds.
And your English was excellent on the plane. You understood the flight attendant, and you used words like takeoff and landing perfectly.
Friends, let's review our on the plane vocabulary. cabin crew, the people who work on the plane and help you. Pilot, the person who flies the airplane. Overhead bin, the small cupboard above your head for bags. Tray table, the table that folds down for your food. Takeoff, landing, when the plane goes up and when it comes down.
Friends, when you fly, do you prefer the window seat to see the view or the aisle seat to move around?
Do you like airplane food, or do you bring your own sandwiches and chocolate?
Tell us in the comments. Writing about your travels is a great way to learn English.
If you liked our story about the flight, please like the video.
And subscribe to our channel for more English adventures with Lily and Max.
Every flight is a new story and a new lesson. We are happy to learn with you.
Thank you for watching. Have a safe journey and enjoy your travels.
Goodbye, everyone. I am going to put on my sunglasses now.
Bye-bye.